Galaxies are the luminous islands of the cosmos, vast collections of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter bound together by gravity. They are the engines of the universe, home to trillions of celestial objects and countless mysteries. From a distance, galaxies appear peaceful, their spirals and ellipses gliding silently through space. But beneath this serene facade lies a violent reality. Galaxies are not static or isolated. They are constantly in motion, colliding with, merging into, and devouring one another in a process astronomers call galactic cannibalism. Galactic cannibalism is the ultimate cosmic power struggle. Larger galaxies consume smaller ones, absorbing their stars, gas, and other materials into their own structure. This process reshapes both the cannibal and its victim, leaving behind a transformed, often larger galaxy. But these events are not sudden or explosive. Galactic collisions unfold over hundreds of millions or even billions of years, creating slow, intricate dances of destruction and creation. As two galaxies approach one another, their immense gravitational fields begin to interact. Stars are flung into long arcs, forming tidal tails that stretch across space, while gas clouds compress and ignite, creating bursts of star formation. When two galaxies finally merge, their original shapes are often lost, replaced by a new structure. Spiral galaxies may transform into massive elliptical galaxies, their intricate patterns erased in the chaos of the collision. At the center of the new galaxy, the supermassive black holes from each of the original galaxies may also merge, forming an even more massive black hole. This central black hole, surrounded by stars and gas, pulled in by its gravitational force, becomes the heart of the newly formed galaxy. The role of dark matter in galactic cannibalism cannot be overstated. Although invisible, dark matter makes up the majority of a galaxy's mass, forming a vast halo that extends far beyond its visible edges. When galaxies collide, their dark matter halos merge first, stabilizing the interaction and shaping the outcome of the merger. Without dark matter, galactic cannibalism as we know it would not exist. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is no stranger to galactic cannibalism. Over its lifetime, it has devoured numerous smaller galaxies. Evidence of these cosmic feasts can be seen in the form of stellar streams, trails of stars left behind by galaxies that the Milky Way has consumed. One of the most famous examples is the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy, which is currently being torn apart by the Milky Way's gravitational pull. As Sagittarius orbits our galaxy, its stars are gradually stripped away and added to the Milky Way's halo, leaving a haunting stellar stream that wraps around our galaxy. The Milky Way's most dramatic interaction is yet to come. In approximately 4.5 billion years, it will collide with the Andromeda galaxy, the nearest large galaxy to us. This collision will not be a quick crash, but a slow, complex process that will take billions of years to complete. As the two galaxies approach, their gravitational forces will distort their shapes, pulling stars, gas, and dust into vast tidal tails. The interaction will trigger intense bursts of star formation as gas clouds collide and compress. Eventually, the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge into a single, massive elliptical galaxy, sometimes referred to as Milkomeda. The Milky Way and Andromeda collision is not unique. Across the universe, galaxies are constantly merging and consuming one another. One of the most spectacular examples is the Antennae Galaxies, a pair of colliding galaxies located about 45 million light-years away. The Antennae Galaxies are in the midst of a merger, their tidal tails stretching across space while bursts of star formation light up their cores. These galaxies provide a glimpse of what our own galaxy's future might look like when it collides with Andromeda. Galactic cannibalism reaches its most extreme form in galaxy clusters. where hundreds or thousands of galaxies are bound together by gravity. At the center of these clusters often lies a giant elliptical galaxy, a bloated, ancient cannibal that has consumed countless smaller galaxies over billions of years. One such galaxy is M87, located in the Virgo cluster. M87's immense size and mass are the result of a long history of galactic mergers. Its supermassive black hole, one of the largest known, serves as a gravitational anchor, drawing in stars and gas from the surrounding cluster. While galactic cannibalism may seem destructive, it is also a process of creation and transformation. The materials from devoured galaxies fuel new star formation, enriching the larger galaxy with fresh energy and elements. Over time, these interactions shape the structure of the universe, creating the vast cosmic web of galaxies, clusters, and superclusters that we see today. Without galactic mergers, the universe would lack much of its complexity and diversity. The story of galactic cannibalism is also a story of our own galaxy's evolution. The Milky Way's current structure, with its spiral arms and central bulge, is the result of billions of years of interactions with other galaxies, and its future will be shaped by the same forces. As it merges with Andromeda, the Milky Way will transform, becoming part of a new, larger galaxy that will carry the legacy of both. Looking further into the cosmos, we see that galactic cannibalism is not an anomaly, but a fundamental part of the universe's life cycle. Galaxies grow, evolve, and pass on their materials to the next generation through these dramatic interactions. They are both destroyers and creators, agents of chaos and order in a universe that is constantly changing. The next time you look up at the stars, consider the fact that the galaxy you see is not a static entity. It is a dynamic, evolving system shaped by billions of years of collisions, mergers, and transformations. And somewhere out there, galaxies are continuing this process, colliding and consuming one another in a cosmic dance that has been playing out for nearly 14 billion years. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the mysteries of the cosmos. Galactic cannibalism is just one chapter in the epic story of the universe, a story that is still unfolding, with new discoveries waiting to be made.